Hi guys, welcome back. Today we have another one of the 100% extra small pancake breakfast mini clay kits. I love these for Barbie because the utensils and the little accessories are perfect for Barbie size. And this is air dry clay. I picked this one because of the little forks and knives and spoons. I am so excited to get this one started. The last one we did was the tea and it did not work out very well. So let's go ahead and give this a try. The age is 8+, and it does come with all the little accessories that you see on the back. So let's go ahead and get this open, and we'll see everything that comes in it. Okay, box is empty. Perfect. So we have the little newspaper, the menu, this thing that says good morning, and the syrup label. These are not stickers, so we do have to cut them out because the newspaper is double-sided, and I'm not 100% sure what this thing is. So for this, we will need scissors and a glue stick, okay? Now, we have the instructions. Okay, let's take a look, and it's stuck. There it goes. Okay. So we have the different colors that you need, and we also need a toothpick, which I don't have, so we will just use something else. And it shows you how to make the pancakes. Oh, this is the placemat. Look at that is the placemat for the plate. Okay. Here we have the cutting tool, and this is the fun part. Let's go ahead and get this open. Here are the little air dry clays. So this would be for the strawberries. This is the egg yolk and whatever is on the top. And then here is the clay for the whipped cream and for the eggs. Now, my favorite parts of these kits. Here we have, oh, this is brown chocolate sauce, maybe? Oh, sorry, threw that out of the way. This is my all-time favorite and why I love these for Barbie. Inside, we have, get them out, little Barbie-sized utensils and plates. Look at the little forks and knives and spoons. This alone, because these kits are so inexpensive at the dollar store, makes it worth it for Barbie. There's the little napkin that she can put her stuff on. And here is the little syrup bottle. So let's go ahead and do that first. I want to cut these things out. So we are going to just cut where the scissors show you. So we will go ahead and cut. Try to cut as straight as possible. It's okay. You may need a parent's help. There's our little menu. So I guess this is pancake breakfast for in a restaurant. I was planning on just putting this in my Barbie's kitchen. There we go. So there is our double-sided menu, and we fold that and press. And there is the early bird menu where Barbie can order her coffee, which she can use from the other set, and pancakes and sides and desserts. And, oh, there goes my bottle. Let's cut out the newspaper. Now, I know not everybody reads a newspaper anymore because everything is on cell phones and electronics. But sometimes it's nice to go back and read the morning news, local events, and sports. It's a nice little accessory, and it is a good Barbie size. Let's press. There's our newspaper and our placemat for Barbie's restaurant. There we go. And we'll just trim that off. There. And the syrup label. Oops. So it does have where to glue written on the back. I want to cut it out so I can see what I'm cutting. Now I'm just going to use my glue stick. You could just take your packing tape, pack around it. Here we go. And we'll move these little bits out of the way after. Okay, there. Let's move this out of the way. We'll take our glue stick. It's always good to have. I like this one because it's purple and then it dries clear. So we'll put some glue and then we will wrap it around our little bottle. Oh, I guess it's designed to go all the way around. There. No, it does not want to press and seal. I might need a little bit more glue, but there is the little bottle of syrup for when they are setting their table. Let's put some more glue and press and hold. All right, so now while that is drying, we will move on and do the clay portion. The last ones of these did not work out very well, so let's give this a try again. So we're going to start by taking this one, according to the instructions, and cutting it into 3. So let's go ahead, cut this open. Oh, it's these ones seem a little dry. Can we get them out? It's stuck. Okay. This one seems like it's already dry. Can we cut it? Nope. Let's try scissors. Yeah, so this has already dried. All right, let's try the next one. This kit is looking like a fail other than the accessories, and this one is dry too. Look at that. Yellow? Yep, that's dry. White? Yep, that one's dried out. Look. Wow, this is the first time one of these kits has ever let me down. This one is too. Yeah, that's all dry. Wow, it's a good thing that these were only a couple dollars because all we got to keep out of this is the syrup bottle, the placemat, and the utensils. The rest of the kit was completely dry. What a fail. The only good thing I can think of is it does have instructions so we can go back and use our own air dry clay or polymer clay to recreate this, because this is not good. I think you can do better 100% extra small mini brands. Unfortunately, guys, that's it for today because this kit was a big fail. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and share your wonderful crafts that you create in pictures. Bye for now.